Do you want to identify unknown device in Device Manager of Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Device Manager displays a list of all devices that are installed on a Windows computer. When you view device information in Device Manager, you may see a device listed as unknown device next to a yellow exclamation mark. If you see such an entry, it may be difficult to determine the cause of this unknown device because there are a few indications of what generates it. The main reason the unknown device appears in your Device Manager is that you have a device that is not working correctly. Now let's get started on how to identify unknown device in Device Manager and fix unknown device in Device Manager. Method 1. How to identify unknown device in Device Manager. Open the built-in system information using Windows Search. Then head to Components and expand Problem Devices. If there are unknown devices, you will see them listed here. Here, you need to note that the device column lists the name for the device or the name of the driver. The P&P device ID column lists device IDs such as Peripheral Component Interconnect, ID, ISA ID, etc. The error code column lists the error code associated with the specific problem. Using the device name, you should use the information in the setup api.log file located in the %systemroot% folder to determine the cause of an unknown device. Method 2. Use Unknown Device tool. You can check out Unknown Device tool. It is a small utility available at SourceForge following this link that was written to provide computer technicians with a simple way to identify those unknown devices that show up in Microsoft Windows after a fresh install. Run the portable app and all the hardware devices that are listed as unknown devices will be listed. However, this app only displays PCI and AGP devices. It cannot help with ISA-based devices or original PCM-CIA cards. Moreover, it shows all devices found in the Windows registry, including devices that no longer exists. Method 3. Use Unknown Device Identifier. There is another freeware unknown device identifier. You can follow this guide for details. This tool allows you to identify the unknown devices and gives you a detailed summary for the manufacturer name, OEM, device type, device model, and even the exact name of the unknown devices. How to fix unknown device in Device Manager. To fix this issue, obtain an updated driver for the device via Windows Update or by a direct download from the internet. You can follow this guide for details. You can also use the Driver Verifier Manager following this guide to troubleshoot driver problems. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.